We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this king, as well as how to say more interesting and related names from ancient history. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. How do you say it? There are two different ways of saying the first name, which are as Antiochus, Antiochus or Antiochus, and then Epiphanes, Epiphanes. So Antiochus Epiphanes or Antiochus Epiphanes. It's up to you, both pronunciations are correct. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting names from history whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.